Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we discuss about another MCQ related to MB500, which is the certification exam for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation App Developer. So here is our question. As you can see in the red ink, you are tasked with integrating a legacy inventory management system with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation application. The legacy system is capable of sending data in batches and it supports a RESTful web service. You need to ensure that the integration allows for the exchange of inventory data between the two systems without requiring real-time data transfer. So real-time data transfer is not required in this scenario. Which integration pattern you should implement in this case? So option A is synchronous using the custom service. Option B, real time using OData. Option C, pool based using the data management framework. And option D, asynchronous using the batch data API. So among all these options, option D is correct answer. Asynchronous using the batch data API. So why this option is the right choice? Let me explain. The scenario describes a legacy system that sends data in batches. So this is the first clue. Then the second, it uses the RESTful web services. Also, it does not require the real-time transfer. So this matches the characteristics of the asynchronous using the batch data API pattern, which is specifically designed for batch data exchange between the external system and Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. So now, if you don't know about the batch data API, let me explain that what is the batch data API. The batch data API is the RESTful API provided by the D365 F&O for asynchronous integration using the data management framework, that is the DMF. It allows external system to push data in a bulk or in batches to the D365 F&O platform. It allows to monitor the batch of status, that it is executing or not. If there will be any failure, then also you can see the status of that as well. Also, it allows retrieves error log and the execution summary. So in the data management framework, if we'll go and if we'll see the batch of history or the job status, then you will be able to see the error log messages. Also the execution summary, if you want to see, you can able to see that as well. So it works asynchronously. What does it actually mean, asynchronous? It meaning there is no need for a live or real-time connection. It is perfect for legacy system and large-scale data imports like inventory data. Okay. Now I'll explain why other options are not correct. Let me explain for the first one, synchronous using the custom service. So it meant for the real time. Synchronous is meant for the real time and for request and response integration. And synchronous with a custom service, it implies that the legacy system waits for a response before continuing, so not suitable for the batch processing. Also, it requires the complex error and retry handling in case of failure. So that is why we will not select the option B for all this reason. Why will not select the real time using the OData? Because in case of OData, real time using the OData, it requires the real time communication. So we don't require in this scenario. Also, real time using OData, it's good for lightweight integrations like UI or the CRUD operation, insert update delete operation. For that, the real time and the OData is very good choice. Also, it not optimized for the high volume batch data transfer using real time. So that is why we will not select the option B. And why will not select option C? This would mean that D365 pulls data from the legacy system, but Our scenario specify the legacy system send data, so push based integration is required, not the pull based. So that is why we will not select this option C as well. So now let me give one real world tip for this particular scenario. When integrating inventory or master data from an older system, always try to leverage the DMF with the batch data API if the source system does not support the OData, if the volume is very high, if timing is flexible, not real time, and if reliability and logging are important, then you should leverage the DMF with batch API. So this method gives you more control, robust error tracking and job management feature with the Dynamics 365 finance and operation. Okay, so I hope this question and answer explanation is enough to understand this question. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask it in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.